Jenny and I said our goodbyes, and then I picked her for parts. She was in bad shape. The front brakes were broke. The tire kept going flat. This tire was almost flat. Oh, it is flat. Yeah, look at that. That was the last straw that sent me bike shopping. This case in here was grinding. The chain needs replacement. This back tire needs replacement. These brakes are broken. This rack is rusty. And she wasn't shifting right. So, went out and I got another Schwinn. Meet Wilson. I got the rack off of Jenny. This bag too, and my awesome bell. I like the seat. Took the pump off of Jenny. Doesn't he look snappy? Yes, he does. Can you imagine? This is your view. Imagine glass here, big picture window. And these trees out of the way so you could see the surf. And then you could see the storms on Lake Michigan. Amazing. Somebody had this wonderful place. And then something happened. They couldn't get here. The vandals could. Has a cycle to it. Speaking of cycles, Jenny Schwinn, baby, let's go. She's always game.